Bulls charge ahead, exit polls predict BJP-led an NDA victory. Honestly speaking, exit poll 2024 predicts thumping win for the BJP-led NDA, probably 350 plus. So, almost all the exit poll are in favor of the incumbent BJP, which is likely to win for the third time, fingers crossed if the stated target of 400 par is achieved. The verdict, the real winner, indeed, is the Indian investor. Aggressive bullish traders are likely to move out of the wait-and-watch mode as a clear mandate should reinforce confidence in India's story, continuity of regime and especially guarantees policy continuity. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty Bulls to jump out of the gate in Monday's trade with immediate targets at its all-time high at 23,111 mark. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, both FIIs and DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2114 crores and 1613 crores respectively. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive breakout play. Fandome month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 23,500 zone. India VIX is trading firm at 24.60 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.20 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 1.01. Nifty outlook, Bulls will aim to conquer Nifty's all-time high at 23,111 mark. Bank Nifty should also cross the much-awaited 50,000 mark. Nifty, CMP to 2531. Support, 22,450 to 22,350. Resistance, 22,800 to 23,000. Range, 22,450 to 23,000. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48984. Support, 48,700 to 48,500. Resistance, 49,500 to 49,700. Range, 48,700 to 49,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. The bulls are likely to be everywhere at Dalal Street this Monday morning, driven by short covering and value buying. The positive catalysts. 1. All exit polls signal landslide victory for NDA. 2. India's GDP exceeds estimates, grows at 8.2% in FY24 and 7.8% in Q4. 3. Dow Jones pops 574 points in Friday's trade. 4. September rate cut odds edge up after US PCE report. 5. This year monsoon has advanced earlier than scheduled. 6. GST collection soars 10% to 1.73 lakh rupees crore in May. The total GST collections amounted to 3,83,007 crore rupees. In the fiscal year 2024 to 25 up to May, the total GST collections amounted to 3,83,007 crore rupees. Bottom line, we suspect the optimism should continue till the judgment day, Tuesday, 4th June, with bullish investors anxiously awaiting with butterflies in the belly for the much-awaited poll results. This week, all eyes will also be on the outcome of 3-day RBI Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) meeting to be wired on 7th June.